Nusantara, a tidal city growing from the forest, a future capital where nature and civilization coexist. Jakarta faces serious challenges: overcrowding, environmental damage, and overloaded infrastructure, hindering its long-term development. Located between mangrove forests and tropical rainforests, Nusantara must find a balance between modern growth and nature conservation. Nusantara's landscape follows a unique tidal rhythm, shaping tidal tree, river networks, and natural barriers of mangroves and peat forests. With scattered settlements and weak internal connections, the city must address three key challenges: shifting tidal rivers versus urban stability, mangrove protection versus expansion, and high-density living versus environmental limits. At the district level, we weave rivers, forests, and communities into an ecological network. Tidal-friendly zoning keeps lowland wetlands intact, allows for adaptable public spaces at mid-levels, and uses tidal pathways to strengthen human-nature connections. Forest protection is arranged into core mangrove zones and beyond. A system of urban centers connected by light rail and waterways ensures balanced growth. At the neighborhood level, self-sustaining urban hubs boost city life through tidal energy, forest-integrated housing, and compact 10-minute living zones. A breathing energy system captures tidal, solar, and biogas power to meet changing needs. Buildings blend into forests, while urban farms and mangrove nurseries create a sustainable farm-to-wetland economy. Each 800-meter cluster includes homes, workplaces, and essential services, with centralized parking allowing residents to reach home within 10 minutes, seamlessly linking city convenience with nature. Nusantara is not a city that fights against nature, but one that thrives alongside it. Through ecological planning, functional integration, and active urban design, it becomes a breathing city. At high tide, mangroves filter the water. At low tide, tidal pathways reconnect the landscape. Nusantara will set a new standard for sustainable cities in Indonesia and beyond.